In this video, I'll show you how to buy an XRP NFT on the xrp.cafe marketplace. First, you need to connect to the dApp. You can do this using Wallet Connect, either on desktop or inside the app browser on mobile. I'll show you how to do it on a desktop. Go to xrp.cafe. In the top right corner, click Connect. Then click the Wallet Connect icon. Now, open the Bifrost Wallet app on your phone. At the bottom, tap the menu button. Then tap Connect. Scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. Tap Connect again in the app. To log in, tap Confirm. Note that no XRP is sent from the wallet. You're now logged in. Next, enter the collection you want to purchase from. Choose the NFT you prefer. In this example, we'll buy the one listed at the floor price. You can either place a bid by entering the NFT and choosing your price, or tap Buy Now and pay the 22 XRP it's listed for. If you accept the transaction, tap Confirm. That's how easy it is to purchase an NFT on the XRP Ledger. After a few seconds, you'll find your NFT in your wallet. Click the wallet icon in the top right. Here it is. If it doesn't appear immediately, just give it a little time, it will show up soon. For more help with xrp.cafe, join their Discord. The link is in the description. To learn more about Bifrost Wallet, check out the videos here. If you have questions about using the wallet, visit support.bifrostwallet.com and tap the chat window in the bottom right corner. Go to bifrostwallet.com to download the app.